1. Nuclear hazards, causes, effects, and control measures. Causes: accidents at nuclear power plants, for example, meltdowns. Transportation accidents involving nuclear materials. Malicious acts: terrorism, sabotage. Effects: immediate health risks, radiation exposure. Long-term environmental contamination. Economic impacts: decommissioning costs. Health care. Control measures: strict regulations and safety protocols. Emergency response plans and drills. Regular safety audits and updates to technology. 2. Solid waste management, causes, effects, and control measures. Causes: rapid urbanization and population growth. Industrial activities generating hazardous waste. Lack of awareness and inadequate recycling practices. Effects: landfill overflow leading to environmental degradation. Pollution of air, water, and soil. Public health risks due to waste exposure. Control measures: implementing waste segregation and recycling programs. Promoting composting and waste-to-energy technologies. Increasing public awareness campaigns on waste reduction. 3. Role of individuals in pollution prevention, reducing waste. Practicing the 3 rupees: reduce, reuse, recycle. Energy conservation, using energy-efficient appliances, and reducing car use. Advocacy, participating in local environmental initiatives and supporting policies for cleaner practices. 4. Disaster management, nature of natural disasters, floods. Causes: heavy rainfall, snowmelt dam failure. Effects: property damage, displacement, health risks. Management: early warning systems, flood defenses, community planning. Earthquakes. Causes: tectonic plate movements. Effects: structural damage, loss of life, economic impact. Management: building codes, emergency preparedness training. Cyclones. Causes: warm ocean waters and atmospheric conditions. Effects: wind damage, flooding, disruption of services. Management: evacuation plans, community shelters, early warning systems. Landslides. Causes: heavy rain, earthquakes, human activities. Effects: property damage, loss of life, disruption of transport. Management: land use planning, slope stabilization techniques. 5. Social issues and the environment, from unsustainable to sustainable development. Unsustainable practices lead to resource depletion, environmental degradation, and social inequities. Sustainable development focuses on meeting current needs without compromising future generations. Integrating environmental health, economic growth, and social equity is essential for long-term sustainability. 6. Water conservation, importance, essential for human survival, agriculture, and ecosystem health. Techniques: rainwater harvesting, efficient irrigation practices, fixing leaks, and public awareness campaigns. 7. Rainwater harvesting and watershed management. Rainwater harvesting, collecting and storing rainwater for reuse, reducing dependence on groundwater. Watershed management, protecting and managing the natural resources of a watershed to ensure water quality and availability, promoting biodiversity and preventing soil erosion. 8. Environmental ethics, issues and possible solutions. Issues: dilemmas of resource allocation, animal rights, and climate justice. Possible solutions: fostering a sense of responsibility toward the environment, integrating ethical considerations into policy making, and promoting sustainable practices. 9. Resource consumption patterns, current patterns, overconsumption in developed countries, scarcity in developing regions. Impacts: environmental degradation, depletion of resources, social inequalities. Shifts needed: transitioning to sustainable consumption patterns, embracing circular economy principles, and promoting lifestyle changes that minimize resource use.